Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the difference between either and neither. If you find this video helpful, please check out inspirationenglish.com. We're an online school with one-to-one private lessons, video courses, free lessons and activities, and loads more ways for you to improve your English. Click the link below for notes on this lesson and an activity to practice the grammar you learn in this video. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for regular free tips and lessons. We use either and neither to talk about the possible choice between two things. So either is used for positive, and it means one or the other when you have a choice. For example, you say, "Do you want pizza or fish and chips for dinner?" And I can say, "Either. I don't mind. I like pizza and fish and chips. I'll be happy to eat both pizza or fish and chips." Neither is used in negatives. It means not one and not the other. For example, you ask, "Do you want to go to the cinema or a restaurant tonight?" And I say, "Neither. I want to stay at home. I don't want to go to the cinema or a restaurant." We can use either and neither to agree with a negative statement. For example, you say, "I don't like bananas." And I say, "Neither do I." It means you don't like bananas and I don't like bananas. I could also say, "I don't like them either." So neither and not either are the same. I can also say, "Me neither." And this is a more informal way to say it. We often use either with choices where both possibilities could be true. For example, I don't know where Katie is from. She's either English or American. So maybe she's English, maybe she's American. In negative, we use neither and nor to say that both things are not true. For example, neither John nor Chris are my friends. And remember that neither and not either are the same, so I can say, "I speak neither German nor Italian," or "I don't speak either German or Italian." Finally, we often use either and neither with of. For example, we have two restaurants. I can say, "Neither of the restaurants are good." So both of the restaurants are bad. We shouldn't go there. I could say, "I haven't been to either of the restaurants." Or in a question, "Have you been to either of these restaurants?" There are two ways to pronounce these words, either or either, and neither or neither. And both of these are correct. Okay. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss our future videos with topics just like this, as well as lots more. And comment below. Are there any other unusual grammar words you find really confusing? And remember, you can check out inspirationenglish.com for the notes on this lesson, an activity to practice using the grammar, and for everything else we offer, with loads of ways to improve your English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.